This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook with a pressure cooker. Pressure cooking dramatically reduces cooking time, locking in flavor and nutrients for delicious meals. It works by creating a superheated steam environment inside a sealed pot. This process cooks food much faster than traditional methods, often cutting cooking time by half or even 2/3. Today's models feature advanced safety measures, providing peace of mind as you prepare your favorite dishes. You will find that it is a versatile and valuable kitchen tool. Understanding your pressure cooker's safety features is crucial for a smooth cooking experience. First, always make sure the lid is perfectly aligned and locked. You will hear a click or see an indicator. The pressure regulator valve is a vital component designed to release excess steam if the internal pressure becomes too high, maintaining a safe cooking environment. Furthermore, a built-in safety locking pin prevents the lid from being twisted open until all pressure has been safely released. These mechanisms work together, ensuring a secure and controlled cooking process every time. Beginning your pressure cooking journey is straightforward. Start by adding your food and at least 1 cup of liquid, such as water or broth, which is essential for steam generation. Never fill the cooker more than 2/3 full to allow for proper pressure buildup and expansion space. Next, carefully close and lock the lid according to your model's instructions, then set the timer for your desired cooking duration. The cooker will then heat up, building pressure, and the cooking process will commence once the set pressure is reached. You will soon be cooking delicious meals. After cooking, you will need to release the pressure safely using one of 2 methods. Natural release means simply turning off the heat and letting the pressure drop on its own, which can take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. This method is perfect for large cuts of meat or dishes that benefit from a slow cool down. Alternatively, quick release involves carefully turning the steam valve to manually vent the pressure, ideal for stopping the cooking process immediately, especially for delicate vegetables. Always consult your recipe for the recommended release method to achieve optimal results and textures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.